just that when we are amongst others, we will remain respectful to each other. Otherwise, all the rituals got over today, so I don't think that you will have to be embarrassed anymore.
This will be a cheating, Shri. How can you ask me to do this? My mom will be shattered if she comes to know the truth. Mom has taught us all our lives not to trade honesty for anything else. Being her son, how can I even think of saying such a lie to people?
But why don't you think that when Aunt Sushmita comes to know that the promise she had made to my grandpa, grandma and my dad can't be fulfilled, even then she might fall sick, Ratul? Look, I haven't seen my mom since I was a little girl. Aunt Sushmita is no less than my own mom. I don't want to make her suffer. Besides, whether you call it a lie or a drama, Ratul, we don't have to continue doing it all our lives, right? It's just a matter of 1 year. Didn't you hear? Even mutual divorce can't happen before 1 year. We will keep away from each other for the next year.
Divorce? Why are you raising this topic?
What do you mean? I got married to you in front of a lot of people, Ratul. Registration will also be done within a few days, so divorce is mandatory. Because after the divorce, after this 1 year, I will help you and Nipa unite.
Shri, I can't understand. What are you trying to say? Please explain it.
Look, I'm saying all this after pondering a lot about it. It's true that you and Nipa have been engaged for so long. You had accepted Nipa as your own wife. You used to love her with all your heart. You two can't be separated because of one single mistake, Ratul. But we must make Nipa understand that first. We have to make her understand that marriage is no child's play. In the next year, this will be our task, Ratul. We have to make Nipa understand that to have a husband like you needs a great fortune who can accept all the mistakes of his wife and loves his wife with all his life and stands by his wife in every situation.
Sister Nanda! Brother Rajiv! Please open the door, sister! Brother Rajiv! Sister Nanda! Sister Nanda! Oh Lord, please send someone. Please send someone for help. Oh Lord, Siddharth has got a fever. I can't understand what I should be doing, Lord. Sister Nanda! Brother Rajiv!
Mithai? Mithai, what's the matter?
Brother Rajiv, the door can't be opened. It's a disaster. Please open it.
What? Can't you open the door? Right. That means I was right. Listen, Mithai. That handle was already broken.
Brother Rajiv.
On top of that, Siddharth banged it so hard. Anyway.
Brother Rajiv, listen.
Okay, listen. Nanda is saying it's good that the door isn't opening.
Brother Rajiv, listen to me first. Listen what I'm saying. Siddharth has got a high fever, Brother Rajiv. I can't understand what I should be doing. The door got stuck.
What? What are you saying? Siddharth has high fever. What a disaster. Nanda, Siddharth has got a fever and Mithai is unable to open the door.
What? Sid has a fever?
Mithai? Mithai, can you hear me?
What? Yes, tell me, Brother Rajiv. Is there any medicine for fever kept in this room?
What happened? What is Mithai asking? Tell her that the medicine is inside the bedroom. Mithai, apply a cold compress on Sid's forehead. What a disaster this is.
Okay, let me explain everything to her. Mithai, Nanda is asking you to give a cold compress on Siddharth's forehead. Oh no, how will she give the cold compress? There is no bowl inside that room. Mithai, listen, give him the medicine. It's a medium-sized white-colored tablet. It should be on some shelf in that room. You know what? I think when Siddharth arrived, he already had a fever. Now the door can't be opened and we are outside. How will Mithai handle everything all by herself?
I have found it. Siddharth should see it once. What if Mithai makes a mistake?
Mithai, did you find the medicine?
Yes, I have found it. Siddharth, you have to take this medicine. Brother Rajiv, you and Sister Nanda should grab some rest. Nothing can be done tonight.
Yes, listen, Mithai. If you need anything, call me out and I'll be here. I'll bring a lock mechanic first thing tomorrow morning. You shouldn't worry at all. Is that clear?
No, Brother Rajiv. Why should I worry? My Lord always supports me.
Shri, are you in your senses? What are you talking about? Are you really planning to get me and Nipa married after an year? Is this some movie? Look, seeing you, it doesn't seem that you live in some imaginary world. You seem very practical. How can you even say like this to me? After 1 year, you will get Nipa and me married. What is all this?
Then please tell me what you are planning to do, Ratul. That's what you wanted to know from me at the Manohara house, didn't you? You had asked me what we should do and how we should live. I've just answered your question. Look, we have to act like a happy couple in front of others. It's not possible to make everyone else suffer for our own selfish reason, right? At least let everyone believe that there is a good understanding between us and that we are trying to strengthen our bond. Will that be really very tough? We can be good friends too, can't we?
Truly speaking, Shri, I'm just not able to accept this whole situation. I had never imagined that I would get into such kind of a situation.
But you are already in it, aren't you? You can't do anything about it even if you want to, Ratul. Look, in spite of not wanting, we are into the relationship of a husband and wife. That's why I'm saying we need to handle the situation. This is my promise. I will fix everything before I leave, Ratul. We also have to keep the understanding between us clear. Besides, you can do whatever you want within this 1 year. I won't create any hindrance for you.
What will you get in return, Shri?
Why? Everybody will be happy. They live a happy life and worry-free life. That's what I will get. What else does one need, tell me? But Ratul, I don't want that you should feel guilty about anything. I want you to be the same jovial guy that you were earlier. Please maintain that personality. Because whatever has happened, you are in no way responsible for that. And whatever I did it having everyone's best interest in mind. And look, 1 year is no less time. I'm hoping that within this 1 year, Aunt Sushmita's anger will subside. She will be able to accept Nipa as well. And Nipa will also become a little more mature. In this 1 year, why don't you start with your teaching job in a college? And along with it, you can also complete your PhD. You will see that with time, everything will fall into place. I will fix everything before I leave, Ratul. This is my promise to you.
Siddharth, you have to take this medicine. Siddharth, please open your eyes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Keep the medicine over here and talk less.
Oh yes, let me arrange for some cold compress.
It's not required. The fever will go once I take the medicine. You stay away from me.
Why? Will it hurt you if Mithai give you a cold compress, Siddharth? That day, when I had brought you out of the fire, wrapping you in a blanket, that day it didn't hurt you, Siddharth. And today, if I give you a cold compress, will it do you any harm? Or is it that Tess will become angry if she comes to know? Sorry. It's wrong of Mithai to say this. Sorry. Actually, you're so sick and Mithai isn't being able to do anything for you. So she has spoken so much. Mithai knows that she doesn't have the right to say so much to grandfather's grandson. Mithai is aware of it.
Look, Mithai, the fever can be contagious. I mean, if you come closer to me, you might also get infected. That's why I'm asking you to not come close. Look, Mithai, I never wanted to insult you deliberately. In fact, I don't insult anyone ever.
Will it hurt you if I give you a cold compress, Siddharth? That day when I had brought you out of the fire, wrapping you in a blanket, that day it didn't hurt you, Siddharth. Get up. A little more, please. Let's go out of here, Siddharth.
Mithai, look, you have saved my life and I will never be able to forget that. I want to tell you something. I might not be able to say all this when I'm in my senses. I can understand that my brain isn't working properly. Listen, Mithai, I never believed in the concept of marriage and I'll never be able to believe it. Actually, this whole concept of marriage, marriage means suffering. How will I explain? It snatches away the freedom. I've seen it with my own eyes, Mithai. I've seen my mom suffering on a regular basis. My mom used to consider her marriage as something very pure, but she used to suffer every day and cry. Look, at least I can't lead a life like that, Mithai. Suffering and crying every day, no, it's not my cup of tea, Mithai. One can't live life with so many compromises.
You will feel better if you take medicine. No, Siddharth. Mithai will never inflict pain on anyone. She will never inflict pain on you. Oh Lord, you are aware that Mithai won't be able to tolerate if Siddharth suffers. Lord knows when I got entangled in this relationship.
I will in no way demand the rights of a wife from you ever.
This will be a cheating, Shri. How can you ask me to do this? My mom will be shattered if she comes to know the truth. Mom has taught us all our lives not to trade honesty for anything else. Being her son, how can I even think of saying such a lie to people? Shri, are you in your senses? What are you talking about? You are really planning to get me and Nipa married after 1 year? Is this a movie? Seeing you, it doesn't seem that you live in some imaginary world. You seem quite practical. How can you even say like this to me? Shri, Nanda is looking for you downstairs. Come. Shri, we need to go downstairs. last night, Sid came here to speak to Mithai.
Has Sid come here? When did he arrive? I mean, I didn't get to see him.
Apparently, he came quite late. So, he and Mithai were having a conversation regarding their divorce. And after that, somehow the door lock broke and they got stuck inside. And Sid had quite a high temperature last night. Fever.
Does Siddharth have a fever? Oh, so much happened and I didn't even know.
Shri, please don't worry. Sid is better now. The door was broken down, so everything is all right now. I mean, I met him. By the way, you can spread out the towel over here. I don't mind. It's okay.
The divorce is mandatory because after 1 year, I will help you and Nipa unite.
Shri, if you are having any problem, you can share it with me. I know that we are in a strange kind of situation. But if you need anything without any hesitation, you can tell me.